So hello everyone. Today we are going to solve our fourth question of blind 75 sheet. This question is jump game. So in this question we have to return true or false depending if we are able to reach the last element, I mean last position of the array or not. We need to reach this position of the array. Okay. So the question states that if we are able to reach from here to here, then we need to return true, otherwise we need to return false. So let's try to understand this question first. So in this case, the element that belongs to the first element is 1. So from 1 we can reach to this position. Okay, the next element is 2. We can either go from here to the index 2, or we can go from 1 to index 3. See, since the value is 2, we can either go from 1 to 2, or we can also go from first index to the third index, because the value is 2. Okay, so why will we go here? We are not going to go here. We are going to suppose we made a jump to directly this place. Okay, then we are going to see that if we are able to make a jump from this position to the last index, this is the last index. Yes, we are able to make the jump to the last index, so we will be returning true in this case. So how will we be approaching this problem? We are going to start from the last index itself. So let's take the array 1 2 0 1 0. Okay, and we are going to start from the last index. Let us assume that this is our goal to reach. Actually, this is our goal to reach. So this will be our goal. What is our goal? If we mark the index from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our goal is to reach the fourth index. In this case it is 5, the fourth index. So 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4th. We need to reach the fourth index. So what we need to do? We need to see that from this position, that is from this first index, I mean just before the element, if the last index is at 5 minus 1, that is 4, we will see that from third index it is possible to reach the fourth index or not. Then again we are going to see from second index it is possible to reach third index or not, or from second index it is possible to reach first index, it is possible to reach the second index or not. Similarly, from first index, it is 0th index, it is possible to reach first index or not. So this is actually we need to see. Now let us try to understand how are we going to approach this question. See, this question is not very difficult, because we don't need to return any minimum or maximum jumps. We just need to return true or false based on the question, that if we are able to jump to the last index or not. So let's assume our goal is n minus 1. Our goal is to reach n minus 1. We are going to run a loop. We are going to start from the last index. That's why our loop will start from n minus 1. No, this is our goal. So we need to reach this. So that's why we are going to check from here. That is n minus 2. Our goal is n minus 1. We are going to see that if we are able to reach n minus 1 from n minus 2 or not. I should always be greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. Okay. So if we are going to check if nums of I plus I is equal to, greater than equal to, actually it can be greater than also, equal to or not goal, equal or not equal to goal. So for this condition, for first round check, see, we are trying to understand that nums of I, that is 1 plus the index itself, that is 3, is able to reach the goal or not. The goal was 4. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is greater than equal to 4. So this means in this case it is possible. So what we are going to do, if it is possible, we will move the goal to I. Now we are saying that our goal has become this element. Okay, from here to here we know we can reach, but are we able to reach this position itself? So we need to check, and we need to subsequently check for all the other elements for the same. So if we are able to reach or not able to reach, we are going to return goal equal to 0. This will return true or false, anything. based on the question. So if we are not able to reach the element in any case, the goal will not be equal to 0. So we will anyways, the index will not be equal to 0, and we are going to anyways return false. If we are able to reach the last element, we are going to return true. So this will be the value. What will be our time and space complexity? It is a very easy approach. See, time complexity, we are iterating through all the elements once. Okay, for every element in this array, we are iterating or doing extra work only of big O of n. So that makes it again big O of n, time complexity. And for space complexity, it will anyways will be big O of n, because we are not using any extra data structure in this question. So let me know if you have any problem in this question.